Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And today we have another toy with us for review, and this is a beauty set from So Fashion You. So today we are going to review this beauty set for kids. So let's start off with the packaging. So this thing comes packaged in the suitcase style right here, and not only a suitcase style but it also has wheels on it. So first of all, it has an outer cover. So let's remove the outer cover right here. And this is on the brand Xiong Cheng, and here we remove the outer cover. And right here you can see it looks like a vanity van itself, in the shape of a vanity van along with wheels, which is amazing. It can actually move as well. So it has movable wheels that come with it, and they have a vanity van like a look for it, completely right here, right? And they have like a window shapes on the other side as well. So now guys, let's go ahead and open this pack and see what comes inside this. So right here is the lock. We just opened it up. So these are three side things that we need to attach. Right here we have it. So we get these two side trays. First of all, there's equally something here to keep things. Yeah. Then there's this makeup tray that we have, in which all things can be set up. So right here, this is a makeup tray with multiple compartments. Here is a mirror that comes. So heart-shaped mirror right here. You can see it. This is a heart-shaped mirror that you get with it. Now this gets attached to this part of the suitcase itself. You can see that attach the mirror into place. Yeah, so the mirror is in place. The mirror got attached into its place. Then what else do we have here? Here's a hair dryer here's a pretend hair dryer that comes with it, which is been separately packed in the plastic right here. Here's a hair dryer with a pretend button right here. You can see the plastic quality used is quite good. The overall plastic quality is quite good here. Then we have a hairbrush right here. See, wonderful hairbrush. We have a perfume bottle right here, a perfume bottle. And then we have a set of jewelry and nail paints, I suppose. Yeah. We have a set of jewelry here, two bracelets that come with it, bead bracelets that come. A bead necklace, multicolored bead necklace, a lipstick. All of these are pretend, guys. This is not real. Pretend lipstick. You get a set of two pretend lipsticks. You get three shaped rings: flower shape, a diamond shape, and an oval shaped ring. You get three shaped rings. And then you have three bottles of nail paint. Again, pretend bottles of nail paint, not actual nail paint bottles, but pretend bottles of nail paint. So when you open, there's like a brush, and the bottles are actually empty. So three bottles of nail paint right here. Post that, what we have here is a set of stickers that will go on this box and on the nail paint bottles, etc. So here are a set of stickers that come with it, which you can decorate the behind part of the box with. So overall, this is like for the background of the mirror. So this goes behind the mirror. Let's quickly put it there. So let's start decorating the mirror. First of all, they have two pieces that go on the mirror. So these two pieces right here will go on the mirror. So let's take that up and slowly keep setting it up completely. One is in place, now the other one, the other side. This is how it looks after the stickers, quite beautiful. And the mirror goes here. The mirror gets attached like this, and behind the mirror this sticker here goes behind the mirror. I'll have to remove the mirror again. Yes. This sticker can go into place right behind the mirror right here. I'll show it to you once I stick it. This is how it goes there. Then there's one sticker which goes on the bottom side as well. So this sticker will go on the bottom of the mirror. This is how it looks after you set up the stickers. Really beautiful. The other stickers will go on this tray, guys. On this tray also the stickers will go. So we'll set up the tray right here. Tray gets set up right here into the suitcase like this, and on top of these spaces we are going to stick the stickers. So these stickers, these big ones are for the side rods. And we had the side rods which we are yet to attach. So these are for that. Here's the other sticker. This is how it looks finally after sticking all the stickers. This is how it will look. Coming to the rest of the stickers, those are for all the accessories that we have right here. Like one is for this one, the heart shape one. Here. This. And this one is for the nail paint. Here's the next one on the next wall, and then the third one will stick on the next third wall. So here we have used up all the stickers that we have. Finally, the set is set up, so we can show it to you all how it looks. This is how the final set looks, guys. This is how it looks. Really beautiful set, and girls will actually love it a lot. It's an amazing set for them. It's a beauty set for kids, and it's available on Amazon. If you're looking to buy it, the link is in the description below. You have to purchase it from there. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.